The 2026 BMW XM M Sport arrives as one of the boldest and most aggressive luxury SUVs ever created by BMW, combining futuristic design, electrified performance, premium comfort, and advanced technology into one incredibly powerful machine. From the very first glance, the XM stands out with a road presence that is impossible to ignore. BMW has designed this SUV to look dramatic from every angle, featuring a massive illuminated kidney grille, ultra-slim split LED headlights, muscular fenders, sharp body creases, and an athletic stance that instantly separates it from ordinary luxury SUVs. The front bumper features large air intakes and sporty M styling elements that enhance both cooling and aerodynamics, while the sculpted hood gives the XM an even more commanding appearance. Along the sides, the SUV showcases large alloy wheels, gloss black trim, sporty side skirts, and a sloping roofline that gives it a coupe-inspired silhouette despite its massive dimensions. The hidden door handles and smooth body surfaces add a futuristic touch, while the rear section looks equally dramatic with slim LED taillights, stacked quad exhaust outlets, and an aggressive rear diffuser that highlights the XM's performance-focused character. BMW has also introduced updated exterior colors and additional customization options for the 2026 model, allowing buyers to create a more unique and personalized SUV that reflects their individual style. Inside the cabin, the 2026 BMW XM M Sport delivers a luxury experience that feels modern, sporty, and incredibly premium at the same time. BMW has combined high-quality materials with advanced digital technology to create an interior that feels both futuristic and driver-focused. The dashboard is dominated by BMW's curved dual-screen setup, which integrates a fully digital instrument cluster and a large infotainment display powered by the latest iDrive system. The graphics are sharper, the response times are faster, and the overall user experience feels more refined than before. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with advanced navigation, voice control, wireless charging, and multiple connectivity features that make daily driving more convenient. The steering wheel features an M-specific design with thick grips, paddle shifters, red accents, and customizable drive mode buttons that instantly remind the driver that this SUV belongs to BMW's famous M Performance division. Premium leather upholstery covers the seats, dashboard, and door panels, while carbon fiber trim and metallic accents add a sporty atmosphere throughout the cabin. The front seats are heavily bolstered for spirited driving, but remain extremely comfortable during long journeys, offering heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple power adjustments. Rear passengers are also treated to impressive comfort, with generous legroom, premium seating materials, ambient lighting, and advanced climate controls that create a luxurious lounge-like environment. One of the most eye-catching interior features is the sculpted illuminated headliner, which gives the cabin a futuristic and exclusive feeling, especially during nighttime driving. BMW has clearly designed the XM to provide not only performance, but also a sense of occasion every time you step inside. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW XM M Sport delivers astonishing performance thanks to its advanced hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine with a powerful electric motor. Together, this setup produces massive horsepower and torque figures that place the XM among the fastest and most powerful luxury SUVs in the world. The acceleration is brutal, launching the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only a few seconds, while delivering instant throttle response and endless pulling power at nearly any speed. The electric motor provides immediate torque, making city driving smoother and highway overtakes effortless, while the V8 engine delivers the emotional sound and raw power that performance enthusiasts expect from BMW's M division. Power is sent through BMW's advanced xDrive all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and stability in different driving conditions. Despite its large size and heavy weight, the XM feels surprisingly agile and responsive, thanks to rear-wheel steering, adaptive suspension technology, active anti-roll systems, and advanced chassis tuning developed specifically by BMW M engineers. The SUV can switch personalities instantly depending on the selected driving mode. In comfort settings, the suspension absorbs bumps smoothly and delivers a quiet, luxurious ride suitable for long-distance travel. Switch into Sport or Sport Plus mode, and the XM transforms into a sharp and aggressive performance machine with quicker steering response, firmer suspension settings, louder exhaust sounds, and faster gear changes. BMW has also included an electric-only driving mode that allows owners to drive silently for shorter distances without using gasoline, making the XM more efficient and environmentally friendly compared to traditional V8 SUVs. The battery system can be recharged externally, and BMW continues to improve the efficiency and range of its hybrid technology for the 2026 model year. One of the most exciting parts of the XM driving experience is the sound. The twin-turbo V8 engine produces a deep, aggressive exhaust note that becomes even more intense in performance driving modes. BMW engineers have carefully tuned the exhaust system to create a soundtrack that feels emotional and powerful without becoming overwhelming during normal driving. The transmission shifts quickly and smoothly, providing rapid acceleration while maintaining refinement in everyday situations.
Braking performance is equally impressive, with large, high-performance brakes delivering strong stopping power and excellent control even during aggressive driving. Buyers can also choose optional carbon ceramic brakes for improved durability and enhanced track performance. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 BMW XM M Sport, and BMW has packed this SUV with some of the most advanced systems available in the luxury segment. The latest driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, parking assistance, and a high-definition 360-degree camera system that makes maneuvering such a large SUV much easier. The augmented reality navigation system overlays directions directly onto live camera views, helping drivers navigate complex roads more confidently. The head-up display projects important information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to monitor speed, navigation, and safety alerts without taking their eyes off the road. BMW's voice assistant has also been improved, understanding natural speech commands more accurately and allowing users to control navigation, climate settings, media, and vehicle functions with simple voice instructions. The premium audio system delivers rich and immersive sound quality throughout the cabin, turning every drive into a concert-like experience. Multiple USB ports, wireless device charging, advanced smartphone integration, and over-the-air software updates ensure the XM stays technologically current even after purchase. Practicality has not been ignored either. The XM M Sport offers decent cargo capacity for luggage, shopping, and road trips, while the rear seats can fold down to increase storage space when needed. The powered tailgate and hands-free opening function add convenience during everyday use. On the road, the XM creates an experience that feels unique compared to other luxury SUVs. The elevated driving position gives excellent visibility, while the responsive steering and instant hybrid torque make the vehicle feel lighter and more agile than expected. Even at high highway speeds, the cabin remains quiet and refined, highlighting BMW's focus on luxury alongside performance. The XM competes against some of the most prestigious performance SUVs in the world, including models from Lamborghini, Porsche, Mercedes-AMG, Bentley, and Range Rover. Yet BMW has managed to give the XM its own distinctive personality. Its bold styling may not appeal to everyone, but there is no denying that the XM attracts attention everywhere it goes. BMW intentionally created the XM to stand out and represent a new direction for the brand's high-performance luxury vehicles. The 2026 model refines this formula further, with improved technology, updated styling details, and enhanced hybrid efficiency that make the XM even more appealing to modern buyers. For drivers who want a luxury SUV capable of delivering supercar-like acceleration, premium comfort, futuristic technology, and exclusive design all in one package, the BMW XM M Sport offers an experience unlike almost anything else on the market. It represents BMW's vision of combining electrification with high-performance engineering in a way that enhances excitement instead of reducing it. Whether cruising silently in electric mode through city streets or unleashing the full power of the hybrid V8 on an open highway, the XM delivers a thrilling and unforgettable driving experience every single time. With its dramatic design, handcrafted luxury interior, cutting-edge technology, and explosive performance, the 2026 BMW XM M Sport proves that BMW is still willing to push boundaries and create vehicles that are bold, emotional, and impossible to ignore in the modern automotive world.